The Opaque Institute is a very special place. We serve as a catalyst for economic development and transformational student experiential learning. So we like to say those are our two pillars. In essence, I always say that we grow businesses and develop people.
When we're looking at students to become Opaque Fellows, we really just look at them as an overall individual, both academically and as a person outside their classes. Students are required to have a 3.5 GPA to become a fellow. More extracurricular activities as well, like leadership opportunities that they might have.
Real personal professional development, in my opinion, occurs when you are somewhere outside of your comfort zone. We know we provide our students with experiences that push them outside of their comfort zones. So our fellows are leading meetings, advising clients, and working hands-on with businesses that they may not feel like they're ready to work with, but we know that they are. And in turn, as they step outside of their comfort zones, that's when the real change happens.
Working with all the businesses in the local area has been a great experience for me. I started my business after my passion for coffee. My experience was fantastic. It was a lot of work, a lot of late nights, but now that it is up and running, it's been a true blessing. I'm learning all of the applications that I'm learning in the classroom and applying them to my business and watching that translate into revenue every month. The fellows that will work on my project have been fantastic. They've helped me a lot with the marketing end of things and the financial end of things.
We'll take the best and brightest students and ones that are high achieving, because those are the ones that we really see flourish in the program and really embrace the metamorphosis and change.
The Opaque Fellows program is a premier program, and we offer our students distinctive hands-on experiential learning opportunities that arm them with the tools and resources to be really confident young professionals.